Chocolate and caramel pear pastry stack, made with fresh pears and Pampas Puff Pastry. First, preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius, then line 3 baking trays with baking paper. Using a plate as a guide, cut 23 cm discs from Pampas Puff Pastry, then place the pastry discs on the lined trays and bake them for 12 minutes. Turn the pastry discs over and use a clean tea towel to carefully press down on the disc to flatten. Return to the oven and bake for 2 minutes or until golden and puffed, and transfer to a wire rack to cool. Cut small flower shapes from the reserved Pampas Puff Pastry using a flower-shaped cutter. Place them on a lined baking tray and bake for 12 minutes until golden and puffed. Set aside to cool. Meanwhile, make the caramel pears. Melt butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Stir in brown sugar and caster sugar. Then remove from heat. Cut each pear quarter into 3 slices and add to the pan. Place the pan over a medium heat. Cook the pears, turning for about 10 minutes or until caramelised. Transfer to a heat-proof bowl and cool completely. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the pears to a plate. Pour the juice from the bowl into a small saucepan. Place over medium heat and cook for about 5 minutes until the juice caramelises and reduces by half. To assemble the stacks, place 1 pastry disc on a serving plate, top with half the chocolate custard and half the pears. Then drizzle with half the caramel and sprinkle with a little salt. Repeat with remaining pastry discs, custard, pear, caramel and salt. Finishing with a pastry disc. To decorate, top with finely chopped pistachio. Pastry flowers, then dust with icing sugar. This showstopper dessert is easy to make using Pampas Puff Pastry. For more easy dessert recipes, head to our playlist here and make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos. Click here to subscribe.